How to fix Reddit no sound. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Haru Solution, and today in this video I will going to show you how you can fix the issue of the Reddit. So first, launch the Reddit application right here, and once you launch the application, make sure you sign in your account. After that, you've been taken to the Reddit homepage. Now, okay, let's suppose I'm not getting the sounds of this video, so simply on the bottom of the right corner tap on sound. So that's how you get your issue fixed. And if the issue is not fixed, simply go back to the home page and go into the settings. Now if you scroll down, you came across a section where it says sounds and vibration. Tap here. Now from here on, make sure that you maximize your media volume, just like that. And if the issue is not fixed, the method number 3 is you go into the Play Store, tap in a search bar and type Reddit. From here on, you make sure that you update your application. If you don't update the application, simply update the application. So once you update the application, you must have fixed the issue. So just like that, you can get the sound of the Reddit videos. So that is it in this video. If you know another solution how to fix the Reddit no sound, you can tell me in the comment section. And if you also have any question, you can ask me in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye.